Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to talk to you about anterior pelvic tilt, or ATP it can be called because it's becoming a fitness buzzword. It's a very, very common thing, and it just comes from not really training in the right way or not having proper awareness with certain things. So what basically happens with it is your pelvis tilts down. So if you imagine like a bowl like this, and you spill the water out of the bowl, your pelvis is sitting in this position here. So everything in your body has to readjust to get you to stand up straight. So you hyperextend your low back, your shoulders can actually start to round from this, or your head can start to come forward. All little things can happen because your pelvis is in the wrong place. What you want to start to think about doing to fix that is changing your overall habits and also how you stretch. So the couch stretch is something that a lot of people do, but it's how you do the couch stretch that will actually make the difference. So when you set up into the couch stretch, which hopefully you know, you'll have your foot up against something, and don't be thinking so much about trying to drive your hip forward like that, or again, if you're feeling the stretch down the quad, that's something that you don't want. You can look like you're doing the exact same stretch in the exact same position and be feeling it completely differently. So what I want you to try next time you're sitting in the couch stretch, instead of trying to drive your hip forward so much, you're actually going to tuck your pelvis underneath yourself like that. So posterior tilt of the pelvis, so it's the complete opposite. And then I want you to try and lengthen from here. So I want you to try and get your stomach to be the thing that opens you up, okay? So rather than, like I said, setting yourself up and driving your hip as far forward as you can, you're going to set yourself up, tuck your pelvis underneath yourself, and then try and lengthen from above your hip. You're going to try and lengthen from that position there, and then extend the hand up as well. Then integrate that into your standing. So squeeze your ass as hard as you can, and then tuck your pelvis underneath, and then just get the feeling of what that feels like, okay? And then relax off a little bit and start to walk around and maintain that position. And you should start to feel then, whenever you start to relax, if you start to creep back to that position, you'll be like, okay, so that's wrong, this is right. These are little things you can work with, but don't obsess about them. Just try and retrain your body a little bit, do it a little bit every day, and see can you make a positive change, okay guys?